Okay, here is our 14 corner play. We set up on our 14, which is the 1 and 4 people across, 1, 4, 14. Corner means that we're sending somebody to the corner. In this instance, we'll call this guy. 14 corner, this person moves down into this spot. We can erase him. Okay. When that happens, our 2 middle people are going to come down to set a screen for the corner player. Corner player then comes off of the screens, cutting to the hoop, looking for this pass for a layup. Our 14 cut, once again, person with the ball at the top. Our 4 guys across the elbows and the wings. 14 cut simply means that we pass into any of our players at the elbow. Once that person receives the ball, this guy is going to immediately sprint to the rim, looking for the cut, and we're looking to turn, make a pass for a layup. Okay, our final play so far is 14 dive. And 14 dive means we're going to pass into one of our guys here at the elbow. Once he receives the ball, this guy, the other elbow, is going to dive to the rim. And we're looking for a pass for a layup. Okay, we're going to talk about a simple blob play. Baseline out of bounds blob. We're going to set up in a box. 2 guys on the blocks, 2 guys at the elbow, and the ball out of bounds. We'll call this box up. What's going to happen is our bottom guys in the box are going to come up and screen for their teammates up top. Okay, so there's the defense as an X. So our screens mean that we get in the way of the defense. Once this guy comes up and stands there for a half of a second, these guys are going to come straight down towards the rim, looking for a pass to score a layup. Okay, for the next blob play, we'll call it box across. Again, we have our 4 people set up on the block and elbow, block and elbow. For box across, we're going to screen away from the side of the ball. Here's the ball. So when we say across, these guys are going to go across, okay, away from the ball, so that these guys can come down this way, looking for this pass for a score, or maybe out here for a shot. Okay, sometimes we'll take the ball out on the sideline and we'll run a sideline out of bounds, a slob play. We'll do the same as our box up. Okay, so we'll set up 2 guys come across from the ball and 2 guys here looking like a box. Just like in box up, these guys will come up to screen the defense together. As that happens, this person comes down, makes a cut to the basket. This person comes down, makes a cut to the basket. And then we're looking for a pass over the top to one of these guys for an easy layup. Here's a review of the offense. A pass, cut, recover offense. Remember, at any point, you can be on any X. Any of those X's are good to be on. However, these X's down here are sticky. If you end up on one of these X's, you may not go back outside. You must stay between these X's or coming up to this point making a triangle. So you may move anywhere in this triangle. For everybody else, okay, you find an X. And let's say this guy has the ball. He is triple threat, squared up, eyes looking at the rim. These guys are working slowly to V cut down, to V cut down. When our teammate looks at us, that's our sign to pop out, to be ready for the pass. This person decides to pass the ball to this player. There's our P, there's our pass. What does he do after he passes the ball? He cuts. Because as he's cutting, this guy's gonna look to say, is he open? Can I pass him the ball for an easy score? So he passed, now he's cutting. Now he has to recover. He has to balance the floor and look and find a new X to get to. So he passed, he's cutting, now recovering to a new X.